Yo, what's up everybody? Continuing where we left off. The S13 still isn't done, but hopefully we can take care of that today. If you guys watched the last video, you guys know that the GTR is running really well right now. It's kind of stressful when your dream car is not running the way it should. Sick ass pimple. Made a feature in the vlog today. God damn it. Well, Shane, I'm waiting for Shane's reply right now. Probably sleeping or working or something. But I guess since we can't do anything with the fronts yet, let's start with the rears. Cause even if we can't make it to this weekend's drift event, we're gonna prepare anyways cause we are waitlisted and there's a possibility that we could drift. And Christian, Son, and I have been itching really, really hard. Let's get this car up on all 4 jack stands and get started with the rears. All gold everything, baby. So this is what we're gonna be throwing on. Right now, we've got the upper control arm to zero out the camber. We've got the traction rods and the toe arms. Should be a fairly easy install. But then again, sometimes the easiest thing can be the hardest thing, so never mind, I take that back. Hopefully everything goes good. So, to make everything easier, we're gonna need to take the strut out, upper control arm, basically everything that we're replacing. Whenever you guys are swapping these out, make sure to measure and get as close to the stock as possible. And then go to Vex Motorsports or whatever shop to get your alignment. It'll also help with putting it in a lot easier. Guys, when you're a pussy like me, bust out a breaker bar. Oh yeah. Guys, I have been stuck on this fucking bolt for the past hour and a half. And Christian came to save the day. With the help of Son, of course. Hey! Fuck, dude, I was stressing. Yeah, this wouldn't come off, look.
Out, dude.
So what happened?
So basically, this eccentric washer basically has no teeth anymore, and it's supposed to sit and stay in this position at all times. And look, this thing was freaking rotating around the bolt. You can already see the bolt, like where the gashes are. This washer got caught in the threads and didn't allow the bolt to come out, so it was just sandwiched there the whole time. Oh look, see, look.
So there
see that?
Like
so it was just like that, and you couldn't
and that's
pull
why
the
you couldn't
bolt
check
out.
it out. You know what they say?
Thanks, bro.
No
Christian pull-out game strong.
Pull-out game fucking strong. I'm over here getting stuck in shit.
Stuck in that pussy.
Yeah. I guess I should go pick up another one, huh?
Yes, most definitely.
No, dude, use the same one.
No, dude, it's the same one. Guys, I was getting really frustrated. Yeah. Like, I wasn't having it. But you know what? It's out. Thank God for friends. Oh my God.
Got you, bro.
God damn it. 3 hours later.
Stupid. We're like 3 minutes later.
Shut your ass up, son.
Who agrees with me? Comment down below. 3 minutes.
Yeah, for them. Cool. This side is good. Time to lock everything up and put everything back on and do the other side. This side, the upper control arm, easy. Now, the toe arm doesn't want to come out.
It's still now. That won't move for sure.
Vlogging's fun sometimes,
So I bought this set
but also sucks sometimes. Well, it's not vlogging, it's working on the damn car.
Oh my goodness, sorry. Dude, almost a shit, bro.
You almost fell right on top of me, dude.
Out of nowhere.
Alright guys, well lucky for you guys get to sit right behind that screen and watch me suffer, but it's okay. We're gonna get this done. And then we still have the front knuckles to do, so.
Front knuckles, son.
We will get there.
Oh no, I'm going a little bigger.
Damn, everybody's working on their cars today.
I know. Cause I have a drift event on Sunday.
Shut the fuck up. Alright guys, focus on my face, not my pimple. Alright guys. Oh, look, dude just farted.
Oh yeah, that was a nice one.
It's getting bigger, Randy.
Yo! Stop! I have to. We're taking a break. We're working on the car because we need to fucking eat. We don't want to die out here. So
Yeah, you should do that. You should.
You remind me of the time when Sonny was trying to cover his thing on his lip. Remember that?
Dude, you're hella loud. I can hear you from across the street, fool.
Dude, you're hella loud. I can hear you from right here. Bitch.
Both of you guys, like, that doesn't make sense.
That makes perfect sense because I can hear you from right here. I'm covering my pimple until it disappears off my face.
Yeah, might want to cover your teeth too.
I'm just kidding. Guys, you see this shit? Son's a fucking bully. Lifestyle.
Hey, you can't tell us to stop clowning on this guy because he's a fucking real clown.
Yeah, this fool's a fucking dick. You see this shit?
I made fun of his chat lips and be like, hey, you guys gotta stop clowning on Sunny.
You know what? Guys,
every day.
guys, it's okay. This food's gonna make me feel a lot better. Chicken katsu, baby.
Oh, they sell it there? That's bomb.
That's spam.
Yeah. This is good. I don't know what this is. Is this a Chick-fil-A sauce?
That is Chick-fil-A sauce. Why'd you do that? Actually, that's probably fire, dude.
I don't know. This is my first time trying it.
Oh shit, I'm actually gonna try that. Alright guys. I'm gonna put the camera down and eat. Look at how this fool pours water.
What, bro?
Face down, ass up.
Someone's vlogging right now. What do you want, Jollibee boy?
Okay, perfect timing. Shane just hit me. Shane just hit me up. I'm just kidding. Shane just hit me up right now and he said that if I bring the knuckles to his work, he's gonna actually drill it for me. So, I guess let's grab the knuckles and meet up with Shane. God damn it, forgot the camera. Just made it to Grom Racing. This is where Shane works. Damn, salad, dude. Aren't you skinny enough, bro? So you guys are wondering why Shane knows so much? Shane knows a lot because he works at a fucking shop, dude. Grom Racing. So, why are you eating a salad?
Gotta be healthy.
I think you should give that to me. Let's throw this into the S13. You think it's gonna run really well?
Oh, yeah. I think it's gonna fly, fool.
Have you seen the Lexus that flew?
Yeah.
That's gonna be us.
Dude.
What's up? I'm Randy. Nice to meet you. Thanks for having us. GTR made it here. No problem once again.
Why are you trying to be?
Shut the fuck up! It's called vlogging.
Alright.
Alright. Hey, take both of them. You need to hit the gym, bro.
Huh?
Take both of them.
See these knuckles right here? What hit your face?
Bam. You think you got it?
Dude,
Oh
you're
yeah.
talking to Shane
Dude,
here, bro.
we are talking to Shane.
Alright, you're not talking to Christian, alright?
JK. Here we go. This is what we need right here.
Yeah, Shane, just make sure that it fits my car, okay?
Son, you need to do that. Hey, have Son do it. He needs to hit the gym.
Me?
Me?
I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. What is that?
It's called a level.
A rebel?
Level.
Oh, level.
Alright, hey, Shane, goggles.
There you go.
Alright guys, look, let me show you guys something. Always wear your goggles, because it shot at my eye yesterday. I could have lost my eye.
Is that what it? Oh, like right down your eyelid?
Look right there.
No way.
Yeah, I didn't record it yesterday. Well, I didn't tell you guys yesterday.
Dude.
Because I got super mad and went to sleep. Shane, turn around. Turn your sexy ass around. Ooh, head to the website, guys. Head to the website.
A lot of people ask, like, what do these come from? Well, you guys should have subscribed before, because this is
Throwback AF.
throwback. Yeah. They don't make this anymore.
We don't make that.
So what's the warranty on this, huh?
No warranty. Alright guys, my thing is no good. We're busting out the OG man right here. He knows how to do it.
I made a mistake of teaching them how to turn these machines on. Now they're thinking, well, we might be machinists now. I mean, not quite.
Damn, getting clowned on right now, Shane. It's through. First knuckle is done. Second one, hopefully, is gonna go really well.
These were pretty hard to drill, man. You don't even know, dude.
Oh shoot, Thor's hammer. Oh shit. Damn, it's all the way through. It's done. Both knuckles are done and we can finally throw them on the car. Yo, huge shout out to Shane and Grom Racing for taking care of me after hours. Their shop's closed already. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much and nice meeting you. What's your name again, sir?
Shane.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Are you missing somebody? Are you missing?
Son, thank you. Thank you for coming with me. Gotcha. Big boss man. Samir, thank you for...
My hands are dirty.
No worries. Thanks for letting us use the shop after hours.
Nice meeting you guys.
Nice meeting you, man.
Take care.
I'm gonna let these guys get back to their thing. Let's head back home.
Oh, snap.
All right, made it back home, guys. Time to... Hey, that's a sick ass tank top, bro.
That's a little pump right here.
Shout out to Randy
His little dump.
Oh!
for giving it to me for my birthday.
Happy belated, bro.
I'm tired of going to the gym and not looking buff. You know,
Hey, I swear-
without going to the gym, well now you can't.
I swear to God, I don't. You know I don't rock tank tops. This shit makes me look buff, bro.
I'm not going to the beach, but you don't want to take your shirt off. You want to show some skin.
Copy some fucking illiminate tank tops.
Guaranteed after this, tank tops are gonna be sold out. Trust me. All right, guys. So we're gonna hold off on the rears right now. Fronts are gonna go on because this should be the easiest part. The toe arm in the back is kind of stuck, so let's deal with that in a sec. Action. We're finally getting somewhere. Got the tie rods in. They fit perfect. Ooh. Lower control arms in. Tension rods in. Knuckle is locked in place.
Ooh.
And the pimple's still on my face. Ooh. Oh. All right, cool. 5-lug hub is also on. Let's throw the brakes on this bitch. And then we have another side to do. And then we have another side to do. Fuck. Wait, oh, I fucked up. Cause look, check this out, look.
The brake line's in between.
Look, it's in between.
Oh,
Fuck.
shit.
And it doesn't fit in there. Fuck, why'd I do that? Now I gotta start over.
Do you still want me to record or?
We're gonna restart this because I never messed up. Woo! Everything's on. Oh, first try. And then, first try too. Fuck.
Are you taking notes, Christian?
Oh yeah, taking notes.
Alright, cool.
Okay, stop taking notes.
What happened?
Idiot, wrong side.
Alright, you're tossing my notes.
So I'm hammering out the other side now, and Christian is actually helping me hammer out the last toe arm. Shout out to Christian, guys. Be sure to head to his channel and subscribe.
Thank you. Subscribe.
Go subscribe to Sunny as well. I don't know what I'd do without these guys.
We got you, bro.
Whew, thanks,
I
man.
gotta say something. If you want to see a cleaner S13, come to my channel.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Take it
If
back,
you
take it
wanna-
back, take it back.
If
No,
you want
just
to
kidding.
see, if you want to see a better S13, yes, Randy got it. But if you want to see a nicer looking,
It's crazy. This whole car's coming together, and I'm so excited. This thing's gonna be running even better than the S14. I'm gonna have so much fun drifting this. I'm trying to drift as much as possible.
oh yeah.
So,
I hope we can. I actually hope we can drift, bro. Like,
Yeah,
I'd be
I
so
hope.
Sad after doing all this work.
there's still a chance that we might not be able to drift, but you know what? We're gonna prepare anyways, because what if the day comes and they tell us, yo, there's a spot, and we didn't prepare. So, I'd rather be prepared,
That's with everything in life, right?
right?
You gotta be prepared for
Yeah.
anything.
Alright guys, let's finish this up so you guys can see how much angle we actually got. Guys, it's 1:30 right now and we are finishing up. There's so much angle now. It's kind of tight. We're also going to be running the MB battles from the S2K up front because Kevin Jude let me have those. Oh dude, shout out to Christian for helping me out. Fuck dude, having that second hand definitely helped. Dude, look at this. I'm so excited. Hey, you want to show them the angle? How much of angle we got?
You're not hitting the.
Look. Oh, the wheel's about to fall off. We're hitting the sway bar. We're hitting the sway bar.
but you
Oh,
still can
fuck.
go more.
It can go more. We just... Dude, it's gonna fall off.
Yeah.
There's like no lug nut holding it right now, but...
Yeah.
Oh, and look, we're hitting the inner wheel well. So... I guess we'll try to fix that tomorrow. Okay, we threw on some 50mm spacers.
Wish he should run.
Yo, what the fuck? That is not doable. Christian is telling me
I think it's doable.
What
Randy
the
doesn't
fuck
think it's
is
doable.
this, bro? It's not doable. Look, take a look at that.
When you adjust it, you haven't adjusted shit, bro. I
Bro,
guarantee you this.
I guarantee you when I move my control arms out, this is still gonna sit right here. It might go in just a little bit.
It's gonna angle the wheel.
No, it's not. Trust me. I tried it on my S14 and it didn't do anything. Okay.
That's full angle, bro.
Bro, that looks so fucking... That's full angle without hitting sway bar?
No, I don't think you hit shit.
What the fuck? Oh my god, look at that angle, dude. Fuck.
I should run this angle here.
You should. Oh, it's gonna hit the fender lip.
Yes.
So.
And that's because you need to extend your lowers more, and then keep your tension rod either the same length or extend it a little bit. That
yeah,
way
and bring
your
it forward.
wheelbase goes forward.
Yes.
And that'll
dude, that's insane, bro. Yo, guys, I'm ready to go drifting, but there's still a couple more problems that we have to sort of figure out. But we're gonna hopefully do it in time. I think that's it for today's video. We're gonna end it here. We're exhausted and it's so late, and we still gotta shower and we still gotta clean up. So, Christian, once again, dude, thank you for helping me out.
Anytime, bro, anytime.
Guys, if you guys are ready to see some dope-ass drift videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to cop some new tees, these are available on the website. We did restock these. So, once again, guys, we'll see you in the next video.